Hey shop owners, welcome to another edition of Car Count Weekly. My name is Ron Ipach. Now today, I want to talk about that dreaded car count roller coaster. You know what I mean. One week you're super busy, the next week you're wondering, where the heck are all the cars? It's pretty frustrating, isn't it? You've gone through this time and time again. So how do we get off of that roller coaster? And rather than having those super high peaks and the super low valleys, how do we kind of get a constant, predictable stream of good quality cars coming to the shop? Well, it begins with timing. Let me explain what I'm talking about. Most shop owners, what they'll do, they'll wait until they're down in that valley. You know, they were super busy last week and they're going to wait till all the way things crash down in that valley. And that's when they're going to decide to start doing marketing. And I'm going to tell you, by the time you're down in that valley, it is too late. It's going to take time to get your marketing out there. Now, if you're marketing to your current customers, you've got their emails, you've got their phone numbers, so you can call or text them and try to get them in the shop. But if you're trying to get new customers in the shop, look, it's going to take a little time. If you're going to do a mailer, it probably takes 10, 15 days to get a mailer in the mailboxes right now. So you've got all that wasted time. What we don't want to do is get down in that valley and then begin the market. So how do we level it out? Well, simply start marketing when you're super busy. Now, I know it seems kind of difficult to do. You don't have the time to breathe when you're super busy, but I'm going to tell you, you have to make time to market, because when you're busy, you know what goes up is going to come down, right? Right there is where you want to be marketing, so you don't hit that valley. So you start to smooth things out as best you can, okay? There's always going to be those ebbs and flows, that roller coaster you're on, but let's make it a nice, easy roller coaster to be on with just a few little bumps instead of the thrilling, wild, screaming ride of crashing and burning and then only to get to the top again in a few weeks. We want to eliminate that as much as possible, okay? Consistency is really what you want to do. What I'd like you to do is put together a marketing plan. And your marketing plan should have at least one piece of marketing going out every week. Every week of the year. Even if it's in your peak season, you want a marketing piece going out. Now, why is that? Well, quite frankly, we don't know when people are going to need our services. Sure, we can kind of guess by the mileage on the car if you're marketing to your own clientele, but for people who have never been in your shop, you don't know when their car is going to hit that pothole. You're never going to know when their brakes are going to start squealing. You don't know when they're going to need that oil change. You know nothing about them. So what you want to do is every single week get a marketing piece out there. Now, not the same thing over and over and over, not the same media like sending a mailer every single week. You want to mix things up a little bit. You want to use your telephone. You want to email, text, mail, if you're a coupon clipper, whatever marketing you want, every single week of the year you should be out there, because timing is key. All right. It's very important that we're there when people need us. And if we don't know when they're going to need us, that means you got to be out there all of the time. Okay. So again, consistency is the key. Let's not ride that roller coaster. It may be thrilling, but it's not good for business, and it's very, very frustrating. Keep your marketing machine going week after week after week, and you're going to enjoy a nice, smooth ride. I hope this helps. I'll see you on the next video.